Hey everybody, Bo here with an update on our 6x14 cargo trailer conversion. Rolling Thunder cabin on wheels, gourmet kitchen in the front, cantina in the rear. Hey, we are out on the south shore of Carter Lake. This has been our go-to place this summer because it's 20 minutes away. Easy pool. And the whole thing is when I built this thing, it was all about the weight and what I could pull with what I had. And the numbers all came in good. The only problem I have is getting on the steep slopes of the Rocky Mountains. So we've been able to get up to 10.5 and we've been able to get to certain spots, but we do have to plan our routes carefully. So here we are, nice little setup. Love this spot. There's some really good spots on the south shore that are really nice and private. And I did make a little tarp canopy for the back I had up earlier, but it got a little windy so I took it down. But I'm gonna do a little bit of tweaking on it and then I'm gonna share it with you because it's really easy. Now I didn't have to drill no holes or nothing. Just pretty much tied it in and a couple pulls and we were good to go. So there you have it. Say hello, Eddie. Yeah, hanging out in the back. There you have it. Carter Lake, Colorado. So this is our easy go-to dish, sausage and peppers. Then tomorrow morning I'll turn this into peppers and eggs and sausage on the side. I'll add some sausage, but there you have it. Simple meal, Italiano style. Well, we are wrapping it up here on the south shore of Carter Lake. This has been a great little getaway, just a one-nighter, overnighter, just a little R&R. Get some pics too, and it's beautiful out here on the south shore. The leaves are starting to change down low. I'm surprised how quick it hit this year. So I'll be heading up to the high country this week and the following week. Get some fall colors. I'm going to tell you one thing on the solar side. You definitely need 2 batteries. One doesn't cut it at all. Can't run the fan and the pump at the same time. If we run our pump at night, it kind of kills the battery, and then I have to reset it, and the solar comes. The LEDs will work. But so 2 batteries is definitely a must. I did devise a little tarp thing for the back. I'm going to work on that a little bit. Pretty simple, easy design. I'll share that with you in the coming videos in the future. But want to share this spot with you on the south side of Carter Lake. Just look it up on the map, and there are some nice spots over here. And away we go. So hey, thanks for watching. Appreciate your comments, questions, thumbs up, thumbs down. Please subscribe to my channel and enjoy the season.